Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a little bit of news about Threads, which now reached 150 million downloads over the app stores in 7 days. That's not bad at all. It's the fastest growing app, that's for sure, ever. Will it continue that sustained growth? That's another story. The closest app, just to give you guys an idea, the closest app to reach 150 million downloads as fast as possible was Pokemon Go, which reached 150 million in 33 days. So just gives you an idea of how fast the app is growing. Now, there's a few interesting numbers here. 16% of the downloads come from the United States, 33% from India. Of course, there's a difference in the number of population there, but kind of interesting to see that. Another interesting fact about it is also that the monthly active users, as we say, or the active users since it's launched basically, count about 96 million that have posted, tweeted, or not tweeted, but threaded, I guess, or sent a message. But there's also kind of less of good news, if you want. And the fact is that the active users and the kind of new users that found it cool and refreshed are dwindling fast. So does that mean people are getting there and are like, wow, this is so cool, but after just a few days are already maybe going back to Twitter? Or is it going to hit Twitter? Or is it just, some passing of an app that people are looking at, doing stuff, looking at it, and then maybe they want to go back to whatever Twitter was doing? We'll see. But it's kind of an interesting little battle. I kind of find it interesting to see if this could really take over Twitter at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.